Alright, so good evening guys. We're not going to make the video long. I'm going to show you lang the traffic updates here sa Green Hills. Diba, let's say you're coming from here, right? All the way straight from the far end, that's Annapolis, Santolan, Green Hills, EDSA. Okay? Now, pag dumaretso kayo, itong katabi natin, OB Montessori na school. Oops, dandahan. Go, Honda. Okay? So, katabi natin, isang magandang school dito, pang high school and preschool, right? Middle school din. OB Montessori to guys, ha? Baka makalimutan nyo. And then, meron tayong dyan Cofield sa may, bandang harap. Diba? Now, for example, you're coming from EDSA, right? Isang diretso lang yan. Tapos, kanan kayo. Diretso yan. Ang Club Filipino, hanggang Legran Hotel, condo. Now, alam nyo guys na dito sa Green Hills, ang daming mga, di ba mga magyayabang dito, di ba? Tapos for example you're going to come here at around what time? 3 o'clock, 4? All of a sudden, yeah. So yun. So right now, as you can see here in front of us, this is, okay, I do not know what are these people doing. They're like laughing for non-stop. Okay. Pag dumiretso kayo dun sa may Buffet 101, meron siyang restaurant dyan sa may kanto. Pagkaliwa, Missouri yan. Okay? Pag doon kayo galing, left turn. Pag dito naman, right turn sa may Jollibee malapit. Now, as you can see guys, the traffic today is not naman crazy. Okay? It's very quiet. Dati ito dati parking siya mga kotse, di ba? Lahat yan. Yung condo, mga buildings na yan, wala yan dati. Yan gandang kotse. So lahat nandito, di ba? So dito, pag kanan nyo, yan, Club Filipino yan, sa may dulo na yan. Left turn, diretso. Okay? Now, what we're asking for you guys, if you're going on a Monday to Friday, try coming on a Saturday and Sunday because the Green Hills is always full every day. Okay? Wow, nice pimped out Innova. Nice. I wish I had like that kind of car, right? So, let's say for example, galing kayo dito, diba? Diretso kayo, tapos kanan. Good. Okay. So yun. Let's observe the traffic. Hope you guys enjoy. So alam nyo naman, palabas na yung mga tao galing Green Hill. Oh shit, almost fell from there. Okay, some of the cars you'll see coming out. Minsan pwede kayo kumanan, pwede kayo dumiretso. Basta dahan-dahan lang pagtawid kasi may mga kotse-kotse, di ba? Yan, dami So guys, comment kayo kung gusto nyo pumunta ng Green Hills pag Monday to Friday. Nasa shop lang ako. Buy from us. Myla Gadget World U26. Okay? Pag Saturday, Sunday, I'm not usually here What I'm usually is with my friends, with my barkadas, right? So yun. Wow. So, wow, lakas. Ayan. So yun guys, let me know in the comments if you want to go to Green Hills on a Saturday or Monday or Sunday, right? Monday to Friday, there's few people. Monday to Sunday, right? Monday to Friday, few people. Saturday, Sunday, the only problem kasi when you go to Green Hills on a Saturday or Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which is tomorrow, right? high school students, college students, diba? They come here every single day. You know? Alright. So yun, we're not gonna make the video long. Remember, let me know in the comments. Comment now if you're wishing to go to Green Hills. Okay? Let's go to Green Hills together in a very nice ride. Diba? Yeah. Comment. Enjoy your day.